In this video, we'll see how we can create transparent header that will be sticky when we scroll down for free using Elementor. And before starting, I just want to say that please subscribe to my channel and join the membership. So to add transparent, go to plugin, click on add new. Here we need to install Elementor header and footer plugin through which we will add transparent header. Here you can see Elementor header and footer builder. Just install it, activate. Here go on Elementor header and footer builder, click on add new header. Okay, I want to display on entire site, publish. Now I will create transparent header here. I will add a section. Here before starting I will recommend you to do one thing that will make it easier. Go to Elementor. Here go to setting and here go to features, and here just you need to disable from here grid container, and you need to disable one more thing, flexible flexbox container. Just deactivate these two features, then you can easily able to build header and footer easily. If you don't want to deactivate, you can also build simply. Go here. Now here we will add three sections. First section will be for logo. Here image. You can see it height will this. Box it will be full width. Then it will be menu. And then right side whatever some button or text or anything you want to show, you can show here. Menu. Here navigation menu. Currently I don't have any menu. I will create it. And here I will add a simple button. Here you can see button. I will style it. You can style it as per your requirement. Okay, now what I need to do, like I need to remove the bottom margin to negative. Here you can see I will add it something like 50-40, like that. I need to add and check it in front end it is fine or not. Now in home page, as you can see, it is not fully occupied. Here you can see I get half transparent. I will create a menu. So that you can easily see it. Now here you can see it is not looking in good. What I will do now, I will give negative margin up to -100 and see if it is fully covered or not. Here you can see I will decrease ads. Wait a second. Now you can see header is transparent, but it's not looking good. So what we will do, first I need to select menu here. Menu, I will make it vertically central align. Here you can see It's now aligned centrally. Same with this one, vertically, middle. Now I will style it. I will here. You can see it's looking much better. I will make it center aligned. Layout. It will be center. Here. Here you can see this is my transparent header that is created. Now what I want to make it sticky, and when someone scroll it from it need to get from background. For that, what I will do, you need to install a plugin through which will make the header sticky. Plugin, go to add new. Here search for sticky header. Install it. Here I will add a class name. A sticky header that I will use to make it sticky. Go to my plugin, activate it. Here, when plugin will be activated, here sticky menu setting. No, I will do it later. Here, class ID, other class name, and add the class that I have selected. Sticky header, that is the class name that I have added. Sorry, class ID that I have added. I need to write here hashtag save. Here you can see header is sticky, but there is one issue. My menu here, when I here you can see it is now transparent. When I scroll down, here you can see now it is sticky, but you can see nothing is visible. So what I need to do, go here. I need to change the sticky header background color to some dark color because of my header. Because my header color are light. You can change as per your requirement. Here you can see it is now transparent. When I scroll down, here you can see background color. So very simple. Here you can see very easily I created a transparent header in WordPress using Elementor for free. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.